So I'll show you how to execute these programs in things. Okay, so takes time to open. Before that, so in tracing, little bit modification I have done to look at that. Okay. So to execute this program that is of related to packages, so either you install Eclipse editor or NetBeans editor, then it will be very easy for you to execute. So here I will show you how to execute. So first you have to create one project, otherwise here only we can do it. So just create one project here. Okay. So create, so Java application. Next. See, people have to install either NetBeans or Eclipse to work on this small project, that is, which includes two packages and four files in each package. So in mobile, I don't think so you can work, but in try it. If it comes, it's fine. So what you have to do is here. So first we have to create one package here. So here there is an option to create a package. So I say Java package. Okay. So we have two packages. Okay, P1 and P2. So just observe here in this screen. So P1 package name I am giving P1. Okay. See, if the font size is not okay, so here I cannot increase the font size. In the recorded video, you can view it clearly. Okay. So package name is P1. Okay. So once package is created, so here you observe here P1 package is there on the left side. Java source package P1. Okay. Next, one more package you can create. So go to source packages. So Java package. Okay. So I name P2 because we have two packages. Okay. So if you observe this diagram, you will come to know. You observe this diagram. Okay. See here. So package P1 and package P2. So in package P1 we have four Java files or four Java classes. In package P2 we have three Java files or three Java classes. Okay. So in the same way we will create it. So two packages have created P1 and P2. So you have to click on P1. Okay. Right click, and again there is an option called as new. You create a Java class. So there will be many options: Java interface, JPanel form, JFrame form, okay, folder, package, like that. So you create the Java class. So what you have to do is, see, you just observe here what are the names, what are the Java files present here. Okay, see protection.java. So by that name you create it. Okay, okay, protection.java. By default it will take .java. Okay. So now what you have to do is, you need not type the entire code. You just copy the code from MS Word and you can paste it. Okay. So for first time, if you are doing this project, so you can type the program because I have written in the notes. So I have created the production.java. So this is in package P1. So similarly, you click on P1 and again say new Java class. Okay. So here what you do is derived.java. Okay. See, particularly this program, if you do practically, you will understand. Okay. So derived.java, you just go to the code. Okay. You just copy this code and you have to paste here. Okay. So this is derived.java. Next. So next, what is the file present here? So same package .java. Okay. So you go to the, so you create the new class, Java class, new Java class. Okay. Same package. So again, so here code is already there. So just I'm copying the code from MS Word and I'm pasting in the NetBeans. So you can type the code in your editor. So this is same package .java. Okay. Next, if you go for the tracing part, so here one more file is there called demo.java. Okay. So demo.java is present both in P1 and P2. So here is there P1 for package P1 demo.java. So demo.java is to test the program. Okay, because main method is present here. Okay. So you right click on the P1, again new Java class. Okay. This is demo. So here what we do, so this is the demo.java. So now in P1 folder we have P1 folder or a directory or a package, we have 4 files: demo.java, derived, protection and same package. And in P2 also we have to create. Okay, so now you look at the P2 folder, P2 package. So protection2.java. Okay, what you do is right click on the P2, say new Java class. Okay, so here you say protection2 dot protection2 dot Java, it will take automatically. Finish. So we have protection2. So take the code of the package P2. Okay, that is protection.java. So here if you observe, the package name is P2. Okay, first statement is package P2. Then it starts public class protection2 in that way. So just take this code. Okay, so this is protection2.java. See, in P2 you have to create that file. So here what you do, copy the code. Okay. So next, if you observe here, so there is other package.java. So again, we will create other package.java here also. Java class. So you have to take the code of other package.java and you have to paste in the file. Okay, so this is other package. So last file in the package P2 is demo.java. So that one you have to create P2 Java class. So demo.java. Okay, so two packages are ready now. So P1 and P2. In P1 we have the 4 files Java classes, and P2 we have 4 files. Okay. So now you have to right click on the Java file where main method is there. So in P1 folder or P1 directory, so in demo.java main method is there. So that file you have to execute. Similarly in P2 also demo.java you have to execute. So right click on the demo.java. There is an option called as run file. Okay. So in different editors, different options will be provided. So in NetBeans editor, these are the options to create a package, to create a class, and to execute the Java file. So once we click on the option run file, so it will execute entire package. That is protection.java, derived, same package, and demo.java. So you can look at the output here. So the same output I have written in the MS Word. So base constructor, derived constructor, base constructor, non subclass, same package constructor. So what you look into the MS Word, first package output, same thing I have written. That is the execution process. Similarly, so when you go to the package P2, there also you should not click on the package P2, but you have to click on the demo.java inside package P2. So right click, run file. Okay. Now this is the output of the package P2. So this is with respect to NetBeans. If you are using any other editors, you have to search for the options there, how it is, how we should execute. Okay. So next we will go for the next topic. So before that, so uh, so some more things you add in this tracing part. So I think when we have discussed package P1 and P2 in the first class, so there you might have written this tracing. So just you add it. So for derived.java, it is the extension, that is derived.java extends production.java. Class derived extends production.java, that you note down. And see, if you observe here for package P1 and package P2, so both are different folders or different directories. Okay. So now if you observe protection2.java, that is class protection2, it is in different package, that is in different directory. So but also it can be a subclass of protection. So you just look at this arrow mark. Okay. So I have put this arrow mark. You can extend. So even though it is in different folder, you can get a link of the protection.java which is in package P1. So you just put this arrow mark like this, or roughly you can take down this one more time, this tracing. Okay. So here protection.java is a superclass. So it is a superclass for derived.java as well as protection2.java. So observe. Okay. And the same package.java, it is a non-subclass. Other package.java, that is also non-subclass. So here, so we have two subclasses and we have two non-subclasses. So if you observe two subclasses, so two subclasses means derived.java and protection2.java. Two non-subclasses, that is same package.java, other package.java, and one superclass. Okay. So by this we can understand total packages concept. That is same class, subclass of same package, subclass of different package, non-subclass of same package, non-subclass of different package. Okay. So you just observe this image file. So here we have five conditions: superclass, subclass of same package, non-subclass of same package, subclass of different package, non-subclass of different package. Okay. So you just note down this. So, for 5 minutes I'll wait. You just note down. Have people taken this diagram? Hello?
Yes, completed, sir.
Okay. See, this particular diagram, it explains everything about packages. Okay. So whenever you come across the packages concept in any project, so apart from these five conditions, you will not see anymore. That means, so every condition is there in this superclass, subclass of same package, non-subclass of same package, subclass of different package, non-subclass of different package. Only these five conditions are there. So if you remember this table and if you remember this, like you can say mini project, then you can understand any type of Java programs where you come across packages concept. Okay. So next thing what we do is, so we will go for the next topic where we have one more important topic. I think you might have observed this statement in Java programs. The thing is, so you might have not understood about this statement, but in every Java program, you might have observed this statement. That is starting letter import, starting word import. Okay, so that we will see. So the heading is importing packages. So you just take the heading importing packages. So we will discuss this concept. So this is also very important concept, and moreover, packages chapter, or we can say packages topic, is very important in Java. So in every project, without packages concept, you cannot execute any programs. That means so much applications is there for packages. Okay, we just take down the topic importing packages. Or if you take the topic importing packages, so in a Java source file, import statements occur immediately following the package statement if it exists and before any class definitions. Okay. So you observe the statement in a Java source file, import statement occur immediately following the package statement. That means, so generally, how we start writing Java programs means starting from the word class. Okay, if you look at this program, so public class demo. So we will start writing the Java programs by writing the class names. Okay. Now, if suppose if we have the statements like import or package is one statement, import is one more statement. If we have statements like that, before class names only we have to write. That means class demo or class protection, class derived. Before that statement only we have to write these two statements. That is import and package. And again, among these two statements, import statements occur immediately following the package statement. That means if package statement is there, first you have to write the package statement. Okay. So in this NetBeans, I have done one more project for that. I will show you. Okay. In the further programs will come across. Okay, we will see. So first statement is package, then after that import statement. Okay. So now we'll see what is the purpose of this import statement. So import. So you just look at this general form. Import pkg1, that is package one dot package. See in the square bracket I have written the package two. That means it is optional. So if we have only one file to be imported, okay, if we want only contents of one package, then we will write only one package name. That is import pkg1 semicolon. Or next, if suppose if we have two packages or three packages, then what we have to do is we have to separate each package name by dot operator. Okay, so package 2, package 3, package 4 and so on, those are the optional. That means if we have more packages, then you have to write all those packages, or else if you have only one package name, then you have to write just one package name. So import pkg1 dot pkg2 dot, then class name you have to write. Okay, so class name means, so in the package, in the packages Java files are there. Those Java files are nothing but classes. Okay, so we are importing the properties of the class. Okay, that means you have to write that class name. So in the further example you will come to know. Okay, so you just look at this general statement, import pkg1 dot pkg2 dot class name. See, one vertical line is there. That means either you have to write class name or you have to write the star symbol. Either you have to write the class name or you have to write the star symbol. See here, star indicates all classes. Okay. In packages, we will be having more than one Java file. That means more than one Java class. So if you want to take the properties of more than one classes, then instead of writing class name, you have to write the star. Star symbols all classes present in the packages. Okay. Or else if you want to take the properties of only one class, okay, then you have to write the class name. So you just observe here. Here pkg1 is the name of the top level package, and pkg2 is the name of the subordinate package inside the outer package separated by dot. That means if you have more folders, so I think I have given example. If suppose if you are storing movies in your computer, and if you want to separate it like English movies, Kannada movies, Hindi movies, and all. So what we will do generally? So one folder we will create by the name movies. Inside that again one more folder you can create by the name English, or else one more folder by name Kannada, like that. So folder within the folder, directory within the directory. Similarly here also packages within the packages. Okay. So pkg1 is the first package. Inside that pkg2 will be present. Package 2 will be present. That is directory. So here what we have discussed example, that is previous example. For that example, we should not consider this one because they are two separate packages. So P1 and P2 are the separate folders. P2 is not present in P1 or P1 is not present in P2. There are two separate. But here the example is one package should be present in another. Okay, in that case we can consider this example, that is this import statement general form. Okay. Or else if you have only one folder, then you can stop at the pkg1 only. Okay, next. There is no practical limit on the depth of the package hierarchy except that imposed by the file system. That means now we will get a question. So folder inside the folder. So how many folders we can create? So that is the general question we will get. So they are telling no practical limit on the depth of the package hierarchy. So you can store any number of directories. Directory within a directory, you can store any number of directories except that imposed by the file system. So that means in some cases, in some Windows environment or in some softwares, they might have made it as a limit. So only 5 folders you can create or 10 folders you can create. For example, you might have observed in WhatsApp, I don't know, I observed it. If I'm trying to send the same message for more than 5 or 6 people, it will give a message. Okay. So for more than 5 contacts, you cannot send like that. Okay. So in that way, this is just an example. In that way, if it is giving any error, if you are creating more folders, then that is nothing but it is with respect to particular file system or in operating system environment. Finally, we can specify either an explicit class name or the star, or it is called asterisk, which indicates that the Java compiler should import the entire package. Okay. See here, if you observe the code, import java.util.date. So in this case, import is a keyword. Okay. So I write in lowercase letters. Import is a keyword. Then Java is a package, nothing but directory or a folder. Util is another folder, or you can say directory. So in Java language, you can call it as package. Date. So here date refers to class. You just look at this sentence here. Date is a class name. It is not a package. Class name, nothing but you can consider one file. Okay. Date is date.java, like that. Okay. So next one more statement we have. Import java.io.star. Okay. So import is again a keyword. Okay. So for example, these import statements are like include statement in C and C++. Okay. If we write like hash include. So what we do, hash include, if I say stdio.h, this is nothing but, so we are including the contents of stdio.h header file, standard input output header file. Or if I say hash include, okay, conio, console input output header file. So either we include the contents of standard input output header file or console input output header file. So here these are the files, and here, whereas in this case, here it is not a file, but it is a class. Class name, we can consider it as a Java file. Okay. And here, if you observe the statement import, so you should understand in this way, import is nothing but it is nothing but like include statement. Java is a folder. IO is again one more folder. Dot star indicates all classes. So there is a difference between the import java.util.date and java.io.star. That is, in case of import java.util.date, so we are taking the properties of only one class, that is date class. But if you observe the statement import java.io.star, we are taking the properties of all classes. So what we can say is star indicates all classes present in that particular folder or package. Okay, so that is the difference between import java.util.date and import java.io.star. So if suppose if you are writing import java.util.star, then here also all classes, that means date class is also included. In addition to date class, other classes which are present in util package. Okay, so if you want to take particular class, then you have to write the particular class name. Okay, next, the star form indicates the star form indicates uh, star form may increase the compilation time, especially if we import several large packages. For this reason, it is good idea to explicitly name the classes that we want to use rather than importing whole packages. So the what they're telling is, say in packages we will be having many files. For example, we consider this. Say if you consider this package P1. In package P1, what files we have? We are having production.java, derived.java, same package.java, demo.java. So if we write a statement like, say if we write the statement like example, import what I say p1 dot star. See if I write statement like p1 dot star, what happens is, see see in p1 what are the files present? Protection, derived, same package and demo. All files will be included. Okay, so that means the code present in all the files are included in our current program. So that means more memory more memory stored. Okay, so for loading it will take more time. So instead of that, for example, if I want only the properties of protection.java, I don't want the properties of derived, same package and demo, then what you have to do, instead of writing star, so whichever properties you want to take, like protection or derived, only that class name you write instead of writing star. So then what happens, so it may not increase load on the compilation time. So that only they telling. Star form may increase compilation time, especially if we import several large packages. For this reason, it is good idea to explicitly name the classes that we want to use rather than importing whole packages. That only I'm telling. Import p1 dot star instead of writing p1 dot star. Star indicates all classes. So particular class we can write. So in next time, if you want the uh, properties of derived dot java, then you say import derived. That's all. Instead of writing star, you can write like this. Okay. Then, so here however the star form has absolutely no effect on the runtime performance. So here we have two things: compile time and runtime. So on the runtime performance, so there will be no effect. Okay, that means it will take same time to execute. All of the standard Java classes included with the Java are stored in a package called as Java. The basic language functions are stored in package inside of the Java called java.lang. So here one more package is there, java.lang. In that all the files, all the classes will be stored. Normally you have to import every package or a class that you want to use, but java.lang is implicitly imported by the compiler for programs. This is equivalent to the writing equivalent to the following line being at the top of your all program. So that means, so till now what we have written the programs apart from the packages chapter. So if you want to write a class, so generally what we do, so we will not write any package name or import statement, nothing. So that means apart from the packages chapter I'm telling, so we will not write anything, just we write the programs. But what they tell is, actually we have to start writing every program like import java dot lang. Okay, so we have to start writing the programs like this: import java.lang.star. So in this way we have to write all the programs. Okay, so but what they have done, implicitly they have made it, so if we don't write also, will not get any error. So in some advanced C++ editors, there also they have made it like, if you don't write stdio.h and coinio.h, will not get any error. That means printf and scanf will work, and also clr scr getch will work. So So instead of writing in every program, you have made it implicitly. Okay, that is meaning. So here, if you observe the example, import java.util.star. Okay, I said star indicates all classes. So here they have taken the example of date class. So if you want to write the statement class my date extends a date, then you have to write java.util.star, because date class is present in the util package, util folder, and that util package is present inside the Java folder. So if we want to make use of the properties of the date class, then we have to write the java.util.star. Or else, in another way, what we can write is class myDate extends. Instead of writing import statement directly after the extends keyword, you can write java.util.date. Two ways you can write. Either you can write import statement, or you can write directly in the class myDate extends java.util.date. See, this import statement also you can write in this way, or import java.util.date. In this way also you can write, because you want to get the properties of only the class date. That's all. So you can write in this way also, or else util.star. In any way we can write. Okay. So in this version, date is fully qualified. When the package is important, only those items within the package declared as public will be available to non-subclasses in the importing code. So this we will discuss in the further program. So now you can take the heading importing packages and start writing. You take down the notes, start heading, write the heading importing packages.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we'll continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir.